Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about the comparison of different blockchain platforms. In case you're new to the channel, I just to remind everybody that there's a giveaway from Ardor Group, and the price is 50 Ignis token. All you have to do is to fill out, solve this puzzle. So there will be 25 winners for this week puzzle. I will put the link below and you can check it out. Also, there's an Odyssey Airdrop coming up. So in order to qualify for this airdrop, you have to have 5,000 Odyssey token in the OCPay wallet. So 5,000 is roughly 40 bucks US dollars. You can get Odyssey token in Qcoin. In case you don't have a Qcoin account, you can click the link below as well. Then that will also help my channel. And there's a high performance blockchain giveaway as well, and I will put the link below and you can check it out. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway, hard fork or ICO. Also, you can follow me in Twitter. I follow a lot of under the radar project. You can check it out as well. So before we get into that, I want to talk about some update. In my previous video, I talked about the exchange token that have good potentials. And today they have an announcement. There's a collaboration between Bibox and Huobi. So Huobi is going to list Bibox token and Bibox is going to list Huobi token. So currently, if you're from the US, you cannot use Huobi unless you use a VPN. You're pretending from another country to get access to their website. In order to trade or in order to buy Huobi token. So right now you can get Huobi in Bibox. So in case you don't have a Bibox account, you can also click the link below and that will help out my channel as well. Also, I just want to remind everybody that there's a scam about Ethereum. So if you receive this email, this is a scam. It's talk about hybrid proof of stake and proof of work and proof of stake on Ethereum. So register your address and start staking Ether. So basically, they're talking about in cooperation with my Ether wallet, the open source web wallet for the Ethereum blockchain. We are able to allow Ether holder to stake their ETH and earn dividends on a weekly basis. Where ETH can be staked up to 10% ROI return on investment until further implementation on the proof of stake algorithm, because Ethereum is going to switch from proof of work to proof of stake. So he is saying that click the button, start staking Ether. So don't click anything. This is a scam. So just be very careful, okay? You don't want to lose your ETH. So let's get into the comparison of different blockchains. So this chart is basically from Crypto Woman and also from Mr. V as well. And for the Ethereum, for the programming language is C++ Rust, and the contract language is Solidity. And Nuls is another blockchain, is Java, and Ardor is Java as well. Neo is C#, and Waves is Scala, and Lisk is JavaScript, and EOS is C++. So C++ is a pretty difficult to write language. It's pretty hardcore compared to Java or JavaScript. Haskell for Cardano, Icon using Python, and Arc using JavaScript. Stratis using C# and .NET. Wanchain is C++ and Go, and Nxt is Java. For the consensus algorithm, Ethereum currently is proof of work, and then eventually they will switch to proof of stake. And this is now is proof of credit. Ardor is proof of stake. This is for Neo is a delegate Byzantine fault tolerance, and for Waves is a least proof of stake, and Lisk is delegated proof of stake, and EOS of course is delegated proof of stake, and Cardano proof of stake, and Icon is loop fault tolerance. Basically, loop fault tolerance is essentially a proprietary high-performance consensus algorithm that supports Byzantine fault tolerance. So, and also Arc is delegated proof of stake, and Stratis is proof of stake. Wanchain is proof of work, and next NXT is proof of stake. In terms of block time in seconds, Ethereum is 14 to 15 seconds, now it's 10 seconds, 60 seconds, and a NEO is 15 to 20 seconds. Waves is 3 seconds, it's pretty fast. And Lisk is 10 seconds, EOS is 0.5 seconds, Cardano 20 seconds, Icon is 1 second. Icon is pretty fast too. And Art is 8 seconds, and Stratis is 60 seconds, almost 1 minute. And let's see, and then this is 13 seconds for Wanchain, and next is 60 seconds, almost 1 minute. And I think Tron and VChain is missing from this picture, from this graph chart. Smart contract, of course, Ethereum has smart contract. Now it's still in progress right now. Ardor, they have contract built in, and Neo, of course, has smart contract. And Waves, they have in progress right now, and Lisk, they don't have contract. EOS, of course, they have smart contract in progress. Everybody's in progress right now. And Wanchain, they do have smart contract. And for NXT, it's basically a built-in. The contract is built in. So atomic swap. So atomic swap is basically smart contract technology enable exchange of one cryptocurrency for another one without a centralized party, such as just, for example, exchange. For example, right now, when you switch from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency, you have to go to the exchange, right? In order to switch from, for example, from Bitcoin to Ethereum or Ethereum to Bitcoin. And actually, I talked about a project called Metronome that was in February. So Metronome actually can do the swap. They can convert from the blockchain from Bitcoin blockchain to the Ethereum blockchain. So they can do the conversion. So you can check it out as well, the Metronome project. So Ethereum currently they don't have atomic swap, and now they still in progress right now. Ardor in progress, everybody's in progress. Lisk, they don't have that. EOS, they don't have that function at all. No, but I think I remember I saw something in Reddit for EOS. They do talk about that, I think. And also Cardano is in progress right now. No, I think atomic swap they don't have it, but they do have sidechain. Even though they said here in here they don't have. I remember reading Reddit, they talk about some sidechain, but I think it's probably in progress. So for Icon is in progress right now. Art, they don't have atomic swap. In progress for Stratis. Wanchain, they don't have it. NXT, they have it. So contract language is Solidity, of course, is Ethereum. Now it's Java, C++, Java, .NET, Rye, and Lisk, they don't have, because they don't do smart contract. And EOS is C++, and Plutus is Cardano, Python is for Icon, and C# for Stratis, Solidity for Wanchain. Oh, this is surprising. They use Solidity in Wanchain. And NXT is Java. Decentralized exchange for Ethereum, they don't have it, and Nuls, they don't have it. Ardor, they do have a decentralized exchange. Neo, the decentralized exchange is coming up. Is Nxt Exchange. So Nxt Exchange is basically the project behind is from City of Zion. In case you don't know who is City of Zion, they are the one who create the Neon wallet. So the team is pretty good. So you can, I mean, for the Neon wallet, you work pretty seamlessly, working with the ledger and everything. So this is a pretty cool project. Also, Waves, they do have decentralized exchange. Lisk, they don't have it, right? Cardano, not yet. And Icon, they don't have it. And EOS, they are going to have a decentralized exchange, but I think still in progress. I talked about that earlier in my previous video about EOS, different exchange in EOS. And also Stratis is in progress right now. Wanchain, they don't have any decentralized exchange. NXT, they do have a decentralized exchange. So in terms of sidechain, Ethereum is still working on it, and because of the CryptoKitty fiasco and the F-Coin to slow down the Ethereum network. And now they do have a sidechain in progress. Ardor, they already have a sidechain. Neo is in progress right now. Waves, they don't have sidechain. Lisk, they do have a sidechain. It's in progress. So for EOS, they do have a sidechain. I think they're still working on it. I saw an article about sidechain. I think I saw something in Reddit. They are working on it. And Cardano, of course, they need sidechain. Icon, they have sidechain. Stratis, Wanchain, they do have sidechain. Nxt, they don't have sidechain. So privacy features is Ardor only and also NXT. The rest, they don't have a privacy feature at this time. And for the mainnet launch, basically, most of them is already launched. So yeah, most of them is already launched. Oh, Stratis 2016. So for the token creation, Ethereum, you can do that. And also now is in progress. Ardor, Neo, Waves, of course, they can create token creation. Lisk is in progress right now. EOS is, you can do that, of course. And Cardano, Icon, Art, and Stratis is in progress right now. Wanchain, you can do token creation. NXT, they can do token creation as well. For the transaction cost is 21,000 gas. Well, it depending on whether the network is busy. I think remember 3 or 4 weeks ago they have those Fcoin people sending all this shitcoin to the Fcoin exchange for the coin to be listed or something. It clogged down the network and the gas is outrageously expensive. Probably 2 or 3 times of this price. 21,000 gas. I think it's extremely expensive at the time. So now it's 0.01. One Ardor and Neo is free. So for Waves is 0.0001 Waves, 0.1 less for the transaction cost. EOS is free. Although the transaction cost is free, but the thing is, if you want to create a EOS account, you have to pay the price of RAM. And remember, I talked about the RAM price is outrageously expensive probably a few weeks ago. At one point, if you want to create a EOS account, you basically have to pay 50 to 100 bucks just to create an account. I think it go back down to around 20 bucks right now, depending on the RAM price. People are speculating on RAM, and even some block producers speculating on RAM price as well. And Ardor is 0.155, Icon is 0.01. Is 0.1, Stratis is 0.001, and 21,000 gas for Wanchain. And also NXT is one NXT. So basically, all of them they have some form of wallet. Icon currently just have web wallet, so we're probably still waiting for the hardware wallet. Neo, of course, had hardware wallet, and EOS we're still waiting for the hardware wallet at this time. So basically, everybody has their wallet and some type of wallet. And also, here talking about percentage top non-exchange address control. So basically, Ethereum is 9.9%. NAS is greater than 60%, 24%. So you can read this. I will just let you read how many percentage and all that. So for the main selling point, of course, Ethereum is smart contract, NAS is modulo, and then Ardor is sidechain, Neo is NEP5 digital identity, Waves is fast and has a decentralized exchange, Lisk is a JavaScript and has sidechain, and EOS, of course, is scalability, fast, flexible, and Cardano is basically an improved version of Ethereum. It's basically blockchain 3.0. So blockchain 1.0 is Bitcoin, of course. Ethereum is blockchain 2.0. Cardano is a blockchain 3.0 basically. And they also have a sidechain. So basically Cardano want to improve whatever some pitfall from Bitcoin as well as from Ethereum. So it will be an improved version of those two. And the Icon, the multiple blockchain integration. They have smart bridges. And Stratis, they have a super easy and then sidechain, and also Wanchain they have improved Ethereum with proof of stake and asset privacy. And also from NXT they have billing contract. So this is pretty much. So this is a pretty cool chart that summarize different blockchain and everything. And so which blockchain will be the has great potential in 2018, which will be the going to the moon for 2018. So please comment below which blockchain will be going has great potential and going to the moon in 2018. I would like to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Also share with your friends as well. And I will continue to provide a quality video for you guys. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. And also you can follow me in Twitter. I follow a lot of Under the Radar project. You can check it out. And also, crypto deep divers, remember, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO and other token has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.